still the same thing. Department store, you're given a task, and you got to help people look for what they need and help them find it. Here your tasks are just a little different. So in terms of the work difference, here I'm working in a prison, but I'm still dealing with people. So. Chow time.
But the person Travis will be dealing with next isn't a customer. He's a hardened criminal who has a reputation for being volatile. On the outside, he's a screwdriver. Now Travis will have to face him on his own turf. Before the cell door is even opened, an officer handcuffs the inmate, then covers the lock so the inmate can't pick it. A lower trap door allows the officer to shackle the inmate with leg irons. Only after these precautions are taken